The mother of a missing 9-year-old from California is no longer in police custody. Ashlee Buzzard walking free just a few hours ago after authorities dropped an unrelated felony false imprisonment charge against her. But her daughter, Ashlee Buzzard, is still missing, and investigators, including the FBI, are still trying to find her. They say the 9-year-old disappeared more than a month ago while on a road trip with her mom. Surveillance video at a rental car spot in California, you see it there, is said to be one of the last known sightings of her. Officials say Ashlee Buzzard returned home from that trip without Melody, and that the license plates on the rental car were actually changed at least one time during that road trip. According to officials in California, Ashlee is not cooperating with the investigation, and so far she has refused to provide any information related to her daughter's whereabouts. NBC's Steve Patterson has been following this case from the beginning and joins us now from L.A. So, Steve, it's been over a month since Melody disappeared. With these unrelated charges now dropped, what should we make of it? What does it all mean?
Yeah, essentially, Ellison, it means we're putting the car back in neutral. The case is sort of exactly where it was a month ago. Melody Buzzard still missing, as you mentioned, for more than a month. Ashlee Buzzard, her status goes back to where it was since the week when she was arrested. She is now completely free. Even the GPS monitor that the courts were using to track her is now gone, and she is free to return home. This case, as you mentioned, felony false imprisonment, it originated from a guy named Tyler Brewer. Brewer says he was close friends with Ashlee Buzzard. When Melody went missing, he had been spending continuous trips to the home to try to help with the search for Melody. And the last time he goes there, he says that Ashlee tells her something that maybe she didn't mean to say. She becomes spooked. She produces a box cutter, and he's held there against his will for more than an hour before he's let go. We heard a preliminary hearing today, the judge hearing about 2 hours worth of testimony. The crux came with an audio recording that seemed to refute some of the things that he was saying, primarily that he felt like his life or his safety was in danger, and so therefore dropped the charges. And again, Ashlee Buzzard is now free. The case, the missing girl, is still missing as far as we know. Allison. So,
I mean, Steve, where does it all go from here? I mean, Ashlee Buzzard still isn't speaking to authorities. Her daughter hasn't been seen in way before the month of that road trip, right?
That's correct. Yeah. The missing persons report came out October 14th from Melody Buzzard's school, but she hadn't been seen in class before then. The emanation of where all this investigation really stems from is this road trip, October 7th through October 10th. The 7th, as you mentioned, the last time that they were seen on that security video, some of the images coming out of that sort of spurred the investigation. And the map that you're looking at right now, this is really what investigators are focused on. 5 different locations spread out across 4 different states. The last known sighting, October 9th, somewhere along the Utah-Colorado border. A lot of the investigative materials, a lot of the resources, local, state, federal, is still focused on getting the message, the word out to the public in those places to try to figure out if anybody had seen anything, any gas stations, any rest stops, any hotels that may have any scrap of surveillance video. Do they know anything? Does it show anything that could help them track down Melody? This, so far, is not a criminal case. Ashlee Buzzard has never been a suspect in this case so far. This is still a missing persons case. That's where all the resources are for these investigators. They're still hoping that they can bring her home safe. Allison.
Yeah, a lot of people are hoping the same. NBC's Steve Patterson in Los Angeles. Thank you.
We thank you for watching. And remember, stay updated on breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or watch live on our YouTube channel.